detective. Don't lie, lie, lie. Cut the check.
What is up, YouTube? It's Age back with a brand new video. Today we have another video of mail time. As you can see behind me, we have 3 packages from Supreme, and then I also have a couple other goodies that I picked up from a couple other people. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. We'll start off with the top. I made 2 separate orders, and 2 of the boxes you can tell what they are, or you could probably tell what they are. And then this one,
that's weird. So, I have,
it looks like a bag, but the item is not in the bag. First item is a Supreme S logo. This is the new pastel color ones with the suede, or whatever this is, suede S. This is in the teal S logo with the lavender purple hat. The lighting seems a little off in here, so you can't really see the colors too well, but this is perfect for Easter time, as Easter always has pastel colors. Really nice. I'm a big fan of the S logo hats, just really simple. Hopefully they gave us some good stickers. Of course, we have the standard Supreme plastic bag. Fine. Good shit. So I managed to get the Supreme poppy seeds, which is the free gift they gave, and they actually put that in this little sealed bag, which I'll open.
hey, in there, oh nice, we have
2 regular box logo stickers. This is a 4 count of the Supreme Fuck the World mini logo, I guess. Just says fuck the world 4 times. Each of them you could take off and put on different things. Kind of cool. And then what everyone is gunning for as far as like the free shit is this bag of Supreme poppy seeds.
let's see, 300 milligrams of Supreme poppy seeds. Blooms in late spring to summer, 12 to 14 inches tall. Heirloom, the world's most popular ornamental poppy, a symbol of wartime sacrifice, grown for its striking beauty and remembrance.
So really cool free gift. I don't know if a lot of people know, but poppy seeds is what you make, I think it's like heroin or something like that. Heroin, I'm almost certain, out of. So that could be, you know, Supreme's really clever way of doing that. So weirdly enough, I did have a Supreme waist bag that was supposed to come with this. I ordered 3 items on this one order: 1 skateboard deck, this S logo hat, and also a waist bag. For whatever reason, there's no waist bag. So I guess I'll be waiting for that. It's a black shoulder bag. Sorry, not a waist bag. Black shoulder bag with the small logo and then Supreme running down the strap. Okay, so on to the next thing. Obviously, we have 2 skateboards left, or 2 things that appear to be skateboard decks. So I'll go ahead and open them. I don't know which is which, but they are 2 different boards. I managed to luck out at like, oh, so because I live in Hawaii, the release time is like 6 a.m. Hawaii time, or 5 a.m. depending on the daylight savings, because Hawaii doesn't have daylight savings time. Anyways, I managed to get both of these skateboards, or both of these decks, or both of these orders well past the time the site opened. I assume it's because so many people were online at that time. Jesus Christ, how the fuck do you open this box? Oh, from the top, dummy. So I got lucky 10-15 minutes after the site opened, because it kept crashing for me, so I assumed it was the same thing for everyone else. And then after I checked out the first time, I went back and made a second order, and that's where I got the hat, the shoulder bag, and another deck. So here you have the Skateboard Deck Supreme plastic bag, and this one is the Skull Pile Supreme box logo deck. So of course this print was a pretty big part of the week 1 releases. There was I believe it was a scarf or a silk handkerchief, this deck, a bomber jacket, a hoodie, and I want to say there was like shorts, and then during week 2 you had the Vans skate highs and the Vans slip-ons. This design was taken from the t-shirt that Juicy J was wearing in the Stay Fly video. And this print, or at least the white parts and parts of the skulls, I assume the white parts are supposed to glow in the dark. So that's something I'm really excited about. Just a really nice, super nice deck. Honestly, I'm probably not going to skate it or anything. It would be a great display piece. I know my friend said, as soon as I told him that I got this board, he's all like, oh, don't be a fuckboy, you better skate it. I was like, bro, I can't skate. So just a really nice piece. So obviously this was in that box. This one must be the other deck.
So the other 2 skateboards that released on week 1 were the Chicken Dinner and also the Illegal Business Controls America. And I got, you can probably see it through the bag,
the Illegal Business Controls America deck in royal blue. I thought this was the nicest color out of the 4. Although I did try for the black first, it was sold out. Just because it goes with a lot more of the things that I have, especially if I'm using it for a decorative piece. But blue was my second choice, and it's just really nice. Really nice. Color is nice, the print is nice. It's got that, of course, the traditional Supreme font right here. You also see this print on the Supreme box logo, as well as the By Any Means Necessary, and I know there's 1 or 2 other things that they use this on with the all over prints and the North Faces and things like that. So on to the next few things. So those were my pickups from week 1 of Supreme. Although my shoulder bag did not come in, I did pick this up. This is the tan shoulder bag. I got this from a Facebook group that does raffles. So I think I want to say I paid like $15 or $20 and entered my name into a raffle. I believe the group is called Supreme Street Heat. Really small group, and I guess everyone's really close knit, but the raffles are legit. I've won quite a bit of things from there. Not quite a bit, but I've won this. I won a Supreme Scarface tee. I won another tee, and I think another hat or something like this. But this was my favorite color out of all of the ones that released. So the person who was raffling these off actually stood in line in New York. So I got this before week 1 dropped online. And that's why I ended up getting a black one instead of a tan one, because I was already having a tan one in the mail. I did already wear this. It is really nice, easy to go with generally everything that I have. Matches my skin almost, you know, nude color, brown boys. And then last but not least, I did a trade in January overseas to somebody in Italy. Shout outs to the homie Ludo, or Ludovico, all the way in Milan, Italy. It was a pretty big deal because I shipped my stuff and it cost like $65. There's a pair of shoes and a t-shirt. It took over a month for it to get there. From the time that I sent it to the time he received it and opened it, it took a month and a couple of days, I think. And then as soon as he shipped his, it came here in like a week and a half or 2 weeks. So first thing I got was one of these Supreme NBA shooting sleeves. Bang, bang. Got the Nike sign there. Jerry West over here. And then this big Supreme box logo. This was just a kind of a throw-in, just to even out the playing fields as far as our trades go, especially because I was supposed to get something different from him. But I'm glad I didn't, and the reason why is because I got this. This is a $19.99 red on white box logo t-shirt. I'm not gonna take it out of the bag because it did take me like 5 minutes to fold it and put it in here and get it so the box logo is sitting nicely in the bag. But I have worn this already. The box logo itself is almost flawless except for a few cracks here and there. The t-shirt is not stained at all. I think there's one tiny dot maybe on like the sleeve, but you can't notice it when you're wearing it. And on top of that, the size tag is fading a bit. It's almost faded all the way off. But in person you could see it a lot better. That's all the things that I picked up in the past couple of weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you liked what you saw. Comment anything if you saw anything that can make the video better, or if you liked anything in particular about the video. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at itsage, and you guys have a wonderful week. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Fuck your bitch, told her bye, bye, bye. Chill, ooh. Smash your main hoe, nut her, I. Got a lot of racks on me, chill. Got a lot of gas on me, yeah. Couple M's injury, chill. I'm a rich like jet ski, chill. And I can't buy no flight, no. Look at my bust down shine, chill. My small molly, no small lean. Damage just made my flight, goddamn. Make 100 bands up for the next show. I don't wanna fuck, bitch, the joke won't know. I don't wanna tell you that my most hoe. $1 million cash just laying on the floor. All this I saw me dripping, kick a bitch out, she tripping.